Good morning, ZimmWriter, family, people, friends. It's kind of exciting. Let me tell you, it's been a long week, or couple of weeks actually. I've been doing these live sessions, morning, noon, night, just kind of helping people individually. Develop some prompts and good friendships. I really appreciate what we have going on in the ZimmWriter family. And wow, I again have people helping each other, answering questions, putting each other's knowledge to good use. I've met some of the best people just in the last couple of weeks. We all have different sets of experience and different sets of knowledge and different ways to communicate, and whether I learn from someone else or they learn from me, we get someone new in there and someone asks a question, and there's all sorts of perspectives to answer. So guys, those are who use ZimmWriter and are in Matt's official Facebook group. Check the chat channel. I generally, when I'm available, I drop a Google Meet on there, and we get, like I said, we get the greatest people in the group in the industry coming in and answering questions and, discussing each other's challenges and finding solutions. Real, honest, good people. No one's trying to market to anybody. No one's trying to make money off each other. It's just, hey, none of us are competitors. We all enjoy each other's company, and let's help each other. And that's what it's been. It's really been really, really nice. So let me jump in today. I have an interesting little prompt. I'm always testing prompts. I figure out how to narrow them down, bring in new ways to new talking points into a conversation, a new perspective, a new way to do things. So I'll share a prompt with you this morning that I've been using and testing just to get new ideas. So list 5 entity dualities salient to surfing. So entities are things and facts, but not Google. Artificial intelligence will make this up. It may give you something that is a fact, it may not. And that's okay too. A duality is two opposing talking points. Salient means most important, so I'm not using 2 words, I'm using 1. All those things. And I'm going to say to surfing because I grew up surfing. The progress indicator is going to go on the window on my left, on the screen on my left, so you won't see that when it's running. But I'm going to press Control 1 here, so ZimmWriter starts working on that. And there it goes, run. And we'll see what kind of talking points we can bring out. Let's see, wave and surfer. The interaction between wave and surfer is fundamental in duality and surfing. The wave provides the energy and force for the surfer to ride and perform maneuvers, while the surfer must adapt and respond to the constantly changing maneuvering wave. How great. That's cool. Let's try something else. Let's try, let's see. Let's try service industry. Let's try carpet cleaning. That seems to be a service needed everywhere. We'll see what this happens to say. Progress indicators on the other window. Yeah, I'm absolutely tired. Like this morning, I think was up until just after 5 a.m. And it's now almost noon. I got a little bit of a nap, but I need to get back to sleep. I just want to get a video out for everybody. Let's see, cleanliness versus dirtiness. Carpet cleaning is all about removing dirt, stains, and other contaminants from carpets, thereby promoting cleanliness and hygiene. The duality between the clean and dirty carpets is salient to aspects for carpets. So even there, when you're doing your prompts, you also want to remind it, don't include the prompt, don't discuss instructions, something to that effect. Let's see. What else can we do? List 5 entities that do. it's not the greatest sentence in the world, but let's see what it does. Yeah, I'm kind of curious. Tell me what you think of this prompt. Do you have any questions about it? Do you know what the word salient means? Probably a good thing to look up in the dictionary. It's a lot easier than saying most important. That way you're not given two words for OpenAI to try and figure out what you mean, or use those extra tokens to get the same thing. So, let's see here. Cleanliness versus dirtiness. Thoroughly clean. Should stay free from dirt and contaminants. Cleaning is a time-consuming task, especially individuals or business with large carpeted areas. Our business can provide the perfect solution, my word, perfect solution, by offering efficient and time-saving. So, okay, that's cool. Right on. So, prompt engineering is a fun thing. It's a fun task. The more accurate you can do in your prompting, the better results you're going to get. If you can write a prompt like a program with options, that also is helpful. Maybe I'll go into some of that one of these days. I'm talking about the different prompt engineering I do and explain why. But I give a lot of these prompts and stuff that I'm working on to people in that group, and this will be one as well. I hope you all have a wonderful day. I definitely need to take a nap. I got a staff meeting I need to get going to, and it's going to be a little late for that. I'll probably have that after lunch or breakfast for me. I need coffee. Can you tell? I need coffee and tea and lots of caffeine to get going here. No, I'm good. I'll be fine. Yeah, hit me up. Join Matt's group. Give me some feedback down below. Tell me, did you try this prompt out? Because what I'm trying to do is find prompts that that provide consistent results for people. Because if I can try it, it doesn't always work for everyone's industry. Do you have a feedback? Do you have a modification of this that find it's more specific and a better result for you in your case that might help someone else? Put it down below. Anyone would love to hear. Anyways, thank you all very much again for following. You did see we broke 500 followers. That's amazing. Or subscribers, I should say. Thank you all very much. Check out the information below. I'm not going to put it in there. One of my staff will do it later. But yeah, thank you again. It's been a really exciting couple of months, and who knew it was going to grow like this? Have a good week, guys. Or I'll see you all tomorrow. That's even better.